Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to another video. Much love, many blessings to all of you guys. And I hope all of you guys are always having a beautiful day and just a beautiful experience. In this video, we're just going to keep it straight simple, right from the heart, and just let the energy of the prime creator go through this experience right here, right now. So the experience that is grounding right now is it's one of balance, one of harmony, one of just coming back to our own true self and heart. And what's happening in the world really is simply ourselves discovering ourselves, being able to be aware of who we truly are. See, what's happening is every moment, moment by moment, whether you choose to be conscious in your true self or you don't, and let the mind overtake your state of awareness, or let your mind kind of um, take the driver's seat of your experience, one way or another, we're always going to come home. Because whether it's in this life or the next life or um, whenever, you're always going to come home. So we continuously play these roles of the ego and the personality roles, and rather than letting our hearts speak, and then we create kind of a mess with it out in the world. And then through that mess, because it makes us feel uncomfortable, it makes us feel, you know, like insecure of the future, of the moment, of even our personal experiences with like bills and who you are and your emotions and thoughts and your confidence. It affects all of that. And when you reflect on why you're experiencing what you're experiencing, you realize that it gave you a reason to better yourself. You realize it gave you a reason to to kind of want better, to want to experience better. And the self journey begins. The motive, the the inspiration to understand why things are the way they are comes into your being. All of a sudden you get the gut feeling, and you're like wanting to self-development, read those books, and just really dive into what is meditation, and watch videos like these of people that are like saying stuff like this, like pointing people to their heart and pointing people to consciousness and awareness, and to be that in the present moment, as you are moment by moment kind of creating the future. So you're creating the future, yet in the moment, through how you are in your state of consciousness. And what happens out there in the external senses in the world becomes the reflection back to us of what we've initially created, really. I know not personally, sometimes we didn't create everything, but collectively what happens is that we are all contributing to the collective experience. So just like our parents, our brothers and sisters wake up, and whatever state that they're in, they're projecting that energy and those thoughts and those emotions for us to try to relate with them. We have to be in those frequencies, and then we become mirrors of each other. And um you know we kind of hold each other, we police each other. That's really what happens. And we police each other in the ego. We police each other in in everybody must be the ego. Everybody must be the personal self, because I'm projecting the personal self. So you must project your personal self, so that way it doesn't make me look like, I'm coming from a place of like, lower intelligence, or to really be frank, that I'm uh you know in my ego. And you know it this whole thing is really, it gives backdrop to the inspiration to wanna change the world and change yourself and be your true, most authentic self, and be that change that, when you start to see the world out there, you know in a twisted knot, you you want to help out, you want to alleviate that, um and not just alleviate it, but actually, like you have the answers. I have the answers, we all have the answers, and we already know that love is the answer, is being in our heart and sharing our true, like, genuine gifts of life, and not being selfish, and not, resulting to the ego's wants and the ego's personal desires, and the personal, small, I'm gonna only, you know focus on me. And you know when everybody does that, it creates that separation. And then, it's no wonder why governments can't agree on things. It's no wonder why there's wars. So we're breaking down, kind of reverse engineering the psyche of the collective right now, and understanding, oh, hey, we've been in a lower vibration this whole time, lower consciousness, playing the ego role, and we can step into our heart. We can, forgive each other. We can have compassion towards each other, and move forward, so that we can really truly be intelligent and truly live, life with, with solutions, with, things that we're gonna agree in each other now, things that we're gonna actually, you know, you know, do, and pass, whether it's laws, if if that's even the structure that we know we are in. But I think it's deeper than that. It's deeper than just the external uh world like that. It's more about you in a relationship with you in a relationship with God, you in a relationship with the prime creator, and you ultimately just letting God's will play out through you, and not living out your ego's desires, not living out your personal self's desire. Kind of, you know, putting that person to rest now, and allowing God's will to just flow through you now, allowing just God's will to manifest whatever is going to manifest, to say whatever is going to say, you know, and freely, you know, loving freely. When I say love is the future, and love is because you are allowing the ultimate being to flow through you. And that is the future. That's the only future that can exist. Of course, there's going to be people in other realities, but that's the ultimate reality. There is really only love, and then the contrast for love to experience its love, and that's this whole physical reality and the external senses. So we're learning about this, we're waking up. Oh, that's what life's about. It's not just about finding a career and playing this personal role and acquiring all these material things, and you know it's about you having fun in your true self and expressing all your most powerful divine expression, and all of us doing that, and then playing with this physical world and its physics of here in this dimension, and but the important thing is the love and the unity that we are in. And it's that simple, literally that simple. So I love you guys. Namaste. Keep shining your light. Keep sharing your love. And until next one, peace always be with you. Amitabha.